Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Ford Era. Today is Hot Rod Power Tour Day 3, and we just got over here to Snickers. We're gonna load up our stuff in the back, and we are gonna be heading to Alabama. See you there. All right, guys, so we're about to head out, and someone said, I want to do a Bernie. That is the best way to start your day. Alright guys, so rule 1 of burnouts or donuts is you do them and you leave. So that's it. Tour started. On the way. How you feel this morning?
I'm a little tired. I keep going to bed at 3 in the morning. I don't know why, but it'd just be like that. But yeah, I feel good. In the truck, on the road. As long as I'm on the road, we're fine.
I'm assuming that means we make a left.
I don't know, maybe it's opposite day. Yes. Nice truck, man.
Thank you. Woo! Alright guys, so we're about halfway to where we're headed. We're in Alabama. I think we're in like Huntsville now. And we just stopped to fuel up. Everybody's kind of just, you know, catching a little bit of not driving time. So there we go, and we'll be back on the road in a second. For all you guys that are probably curious how we're doing on temp, we are chilling. The temperature is perfect, and it is really hot outside. So I'm super happy with this new radiator, and that's it. Once we get to where we're going now, which is this racetrack, I'm sure we're going to be sitting in a long line. So I'll let you guys know how it does when it's just idling, not moving. So back to it. it's a party. Been having a little bit of trouble with Snickers, not really exactly sure what it is yet. So we'll figure it out when we get there, but we're pretty close. All right, guys, we just made it over here. We got all parked up. Snickers made it. We had a little bit of weird troubles, but I don't really know why yet. So we'll figure it out anyway. Right now, I'm gonna walk around a little bit, figure out what we're doing, and then I'm gonna pick you guys back up. All right, guys, so now it's time to walk around, and I'll show you what's out here. can't believe I got the bandit out here looking at my truck.
I follow you on Instagram. I've seen you sit there and post about it. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure. I'm Solomon.
Jeremy.
Give me 1 second. I just want to make a little intro and then we can chat. All right. All right, guys. So walked around. You guys saw all of that, and then now we're gonna try to figure out what was wrong with it. So Kevin's gonna give me his ideas, and we're just bouncing stuff back and forth, and I'll let you know what we come up with. You guys know I get really bad at starting to take videos when the friends come out, so we're just gonna do a quick little loop. We're having some fun, and
Friends are here.
we're starting to clear out for the night, which means we're gonna go back to the hotel and have even more fun. So we'll see when we get there. As you guys could see, Poseidon decided to send a bunch of rain our way, so we're all clearing out, and we'll probably head back to the hotels. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Hey, you can't park there.
Park fees closes at 8.
You can't park there.
Sorry. I can do whatever I want. In Canada, I just say sorry. Sorry, yeah? All right. Well, that was random. I don't know what I'm doing.
Do your wipers work? Because mine don't.
That was really weird.
My wipers don't. Yeah, that rain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give it another.
There's a lot of stuff here.
Oh, I found the burnouts.
Dang it, we missed them.
They got burnout row over here.
I got 2 cameras.
Yeah.
That thing's a freaking beast. Oh, what is going on right now?
That was wild. That was wild.
It's like a Spider-Man movie.
Spider-Man mirror.
What? This is Solomon's camera. I'm not even the guy that's gonna edit this, so he gets to deal with all this, not me.
You needed to take my camera because I know that Joel lets it go.
Oh yeah, it was right.
And it's got a QA1 front suspension.
Hello.
But this was a good burnout, right?
Amazing.
Yeah, the front suspension affects burnout.
It helps.
It helps grip.
All the
Oh, that was actually pretty solid. I didn't expect that out of that.
Alright guys, so we just made it back to the hotel, and we're gonna call it a night. So as always, if you guys can, smash that like button. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you thought about today's video. You can drop a comment below, and figured I'd show you guys a couple really cool Fords here in the parking lot of this beautiful 66. And obviously we got Snickers over here. And then over here is really cool looking, I don't even know what year it is. I think it's like a 51 or 52. And then check out this Bronco. So the guys that stuck around to the end, you guys got a little sneak peek surprise that nobody else was able to see. So on that note, good night, and see you guys in the next video.